Hi everyone, this is a self-trafficant, and on this tutorial I will show you how to use the Google Analytics UTM Builder Chrome extension. So let's say I want to promote this article on different websites, so social media or paid campaigns. So I need to click on the extension icon here and choose the place that I'm going to put the link. Let's say I'm going to put it on Facebook. So I'm typing under the source Facebook. Under the medium, I can write CPC if it's paid media, for example, or whatever. And campaign is what am I promoting? Let's say I'm promoting my content. You can write here, I don't know, Summer Sale 2022, Cyber Monday, etc. the name of the campaign. These are the UTM source, UTM medium, and the UTM campaign, which are the most popular 3 UTMs that you should use. In addition, you have the keyword and the content you can use also. The final URL is populated automatically, containing the current URL that you're viewing right now, plus all the UTMs inside. If for some reason you want to copy only the section of the parameters, you can click here on the copy parameters. If you want to copy this long URL, you can click the copy URL. If you want to create a bit.ly link from this URL, you need to activate your bit.ly account. To do it, you need to click here, set up and activate link shortening. Let's click on it. Go to bit.ly setup and click the activate. This will open the bit.ly authentication screen, so you can log into your own bit.ly account. Once you enter your credentials, bit.ly asks you to allow the Google Analytics URL Builder to access your bit.ly account only for the creation of links. The extension doesn't have any access to your bit.ly links. And that's it. Let's go back to the extension. Let's go back here. And as you can see, the extension remembers the last UTMs that you used. And all you need to do is to turn this toggle on. From now on, as long as this toggle is set to on, all the links that you will create are bit.ly links. So once you click this button, it will create a bit.ly link and also copy the link to your clipboard. There you go. Instead of editing this form again and again, you can create presets. Presets which contains sets of UTMs. For example, Facebook CPC will contain these fields. Here you can see that the extension supports dynamic parameters, which if you put the final link in your Facebook ad campaign, it will insert automatically the campaign name, ad set name, etc. Each time you choose a preset, it will change the UTMs. You can change it, of course. If you want to create more presets or delete these ones that comes built in with the extension, you can click here the edit button. This will take you to the settings page. Under my presets, you will see all the presets that you have. Each preset can be deleted or edited, so you can change the quick name and the values. You can duplicate and create your own. This one is the new one. And you can set a preset as default, so each time you open the extension, it will choose this preset automatically. You can add more presets by clicking the Add Preset button here. So let's give it a nice name. There you go, you have this new preset. Instead of using the extension here, you can also keep using the extension from this screen. This time you need to copy the URL by your own. If you wish, you can create a group of presets. If you want to group presets by your client, by types of marketing channels, etc. So you can do it by going to the group section here and create a new group. Let's say I'm serving a client called Alvarian. Create. And there is a new group here. And currently there are no presets here. So I can create a new preset. Let's say Facebook page. add, and let's duplicate this one. Now when you go back to the extension, let's say I want to promote this page, I'm choosing the relevant group and see all the presets that are relevant to this group. If you want to share this group with your colleagues or other users, you can do it easily. Let's click this cog, go back to the settings page, and choose the relevant group that you want to share, let's say Alvarian, and hit the share. Now type the name of the user that you want to share the group with, let's say enter and share. If you want to rename the group, you can click the rename and change the name to Alvarian2, for example. Please note that once the group is shared, any change that you'll do to the presets will affect all the other users. That include the name and the presets and everything else. If you delete a shared group, it will be deleted for all users. The extension will warn you in such case. Under the settings menu, you have the option to backup the presets. You can create a local copy of your presets, and later on you can restore from this file. Please note that if you have the Pro version, all your presets are backed up to the cloud. Another useful feature is the force lowercase on final URL. Sometimes you're not sure how to write the name of the presets, the UTMs. It's case sensitive in Google Analytics, so you want to make sure that if you write Google CPC, then CPC is written always the same. So once you turn this toggle on, it will force lowercase on the final URL, so all your presets will act the same. Let's see it in action. I'm going back to the article. Let's say the source is Google. And as you can see here, the final URL is UTM source equals Google all lowercase. You can change the final URL if you wish and create a new bit.ly. You can edit the input URL, which affects immediately on the final URL. And of course you can edit the UTMs, which also affect the final URL. If you have a bug, question or a feature request, don't hesitate to contact me. Go to support and FAQ, and under the support section you can see my email. That's for the tutorial. Good luck and happy tagging!